Today we are going to create a luxury business HS logo in Adobe Illustrator step by step. First, select the Type tool and write the letter H. Increase the size and place it in the center of the artboard. Now we will create the stylish S shape inside the H. Select the Pen tool and draw two smooth curved lines diagonally across the H. Increase the stroke of the lines. Adjust the curves carefully to make the shape look elegant and flowing. Then taper the edges to make both ends thinner. This will create a luxury ribbon-style S shape. Now select the middle bar of the H and cut the overlapping area so the S fits naturally inside the letter. Adjust the position and align everything perfectly in the center. Next, we will create the circular badge. Draw one circle and duplicate it to create a double ring border. Cut the left and right side parts of the middle circle. So only the upper and lower curved paths remain. Select the upper curve and type the logo name using Type on Path tool. Then select the bottom curve and add the tagline text. Now we will design the outer decorative border. Create a larger circle. And apply a decorative brush around the circle to form a luxury ornamental frame. After completing the structure, select all elements and apply a golden gradient color. Use light gold for highlights and darker gold for shadows to create a premium luxury effect. Finally, add a dark blue gradient background and a soft shadow behind the logo to enhance depth and make the design look more professional. And that's it! Our luxury business HS logo is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more professional logo design tutorials.